Hi, I'm Dr. Peter Townsend, and in this video we'll talk about your fantastic home kit, all it contains and how to use the stuff within it to take care of you either at home alongside your chiropractic care, or if you're unable to get into the clinic, how you can help look after yourself as best as possible. So we're going to be looking at Theraband. So this is the wonderful physio band or stretch band that you may have seen before. We use it for a lot of shoulder rehab, hip exercises, knee exercises. It's wonderful for both waking up muscles that you haven't been using for a while, so your first step in returning to the gym or training, or if you're recovering from a surgery or an injury to a muscle or a tendon, it's great to use it as well. So today, what we're going to do is be looking at some simple shoulder stabilizing exercises with the Theraband. I have Nathan here, just holding that with his hands for me, and just wrap your hands around it so your elbows are tucked into your sides. That's perfect. With your thumbs pointing upwards and with a lovely upright posture. So this is your basic start position, and it guarantees that you're using all the good muscles in your shoulder. And then what I'd like to do is just gently stretch your arms apart, keeping your elbows tucked into your side. That's great. Now, if you find when you're doing this it's quite difficult and you're cheating and your arms are coming away from you, then you can trap a book or a newspaper just between your elbow and the side of your chest, just to help identify when you're starting to cheat and fail there. So that's the first exercise. Now you do this for 30 seconds, just slowly going out and coming back in, going out and coming back in, and it's really going to get those muscles between the shoulders working much better, help pull your shoulders down and back. Now the second exercise we're going to show you, again, the second most common thing we ever need to use this for is for knee issues. So I'm just going to tie a simple knot in the Theraband. That's right, just like that. And if I get you to pop your feet, one in, and one in, and we're just going to lift this up. So mid calf height here, we're going to move the feet so they're just about hip width apart, and then very gently, again with that ideal posture, so nice and tall and upright, just take your knees apart and bring them together, and apart and bring them together. Now, this is the starting position. It's quite easy and straightforward to do this. If we want to make this a little bit tougher, then we're just going to bring the band slightly higher, feet hip width apart again, and again stretching apart, bring them together, stretching apart. And you do this for 30 seconds, making sure that you've got that lovely ideal posture. These are the two primary exercises for using your Theraband to stabilize your shoulders and help your hips start working better after any kind of accident, injury, or if you've just got chronic pain, long-term pain there.